We're going to look at circle geometry and focus on the area and the perimeter. First of all, we'll look at the radius and diameter of a circle, the area of a circle, and the circumference of a circle. Let's start with the radius of a circle. So the radius of a circle is the distance from the center of the circle to the circumference of the circle. The circumference is the boundary of the circle. So A is at the center, so from A to B is the radius of this circle. The diameter of a circle is the line that passes through the center that joins one end of the circumference to the other end of the circumference. So it has to pass through the center. So what you can simply say is the diameter divides the circle into two equal parts. So in this case, the line AOB is the diameter of the circle. So the circumference of a circle is what we'll call the perimeter of the circle. So that's the path around the circle. So you can look at it as the line that the boundary of the circle is considered your perimeter. And the perimeter is determined as 2 pi r, or which is 2 pi, where pi is a constant, multiplied by the radius, or pi multiplied by diameter. And the reason why this is so is because the radius, diameter divided by 2, or the diameter is 2 times the radius. Let's look at some examples. For all of these examples, I'm going to write the answers in terms of pi because some questions will give you the actual value of pi. So I'm just going to use pi as in all my answers. So what is the circumference of a circle with a radius of 14 centimeters? The circumference is 2 pi multiplied by the radius, which is going to be 2 pi multiplied by 14 centimeters, which is going to give us 28 pi centimeters. What is the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 14 centimeters? The circumference here is pi multiplied by diameter, which is going to be pi multiplied by 14 centimeters, which is 14 pi centimeters. The area of the circle is the size of the surface of the circle. So it's the size of the inside of the circle is going to give us the area of the circle. Now we do that by saying area is pi multiplied by radius squared, and the area is also going to be equal to pi multiplied by diameter squared over 4. And here's how we get to that. Area is pi r squared, which is the same as pi, radius is diameter over 2 squared, which is pi d squared over 4. Now let's apply that in some examples. What is the area of a circle with a radius of 14 centimeters? So the area is pi r squared, which is pi 14 centimeters squared, which is going to give us 196 pi centimeters squared. What is the area of a circle with a diameter of 14 centimeters? So the area is going to be pi d squared over 4, which is going to be pi 14 squared over 4. which is 196 pi centimeters squared over 4, and that gives you 49 pi centimeter squared. The other way you can look at that is diameter is times the radius. And so what we're going to do here is, because area is pi r squared and r is diameter over 2, so we're going to say area is pi r squared, which is pi, then to get the radius we have to divide the diameter by 2 and square that, which is going to give us pi times 7 squared centimeters squared, which is 49 pi centimeter squared. So either way, either approach you take should get you to the same answer.